Hi there everybody, welcome back to the channel. You're watching a Ritter Bit Will Do, and I'm playing in the mud today. That's really all I'm doing. I'm playing in the mud out here at Yukon Acres, right? I'm over by this beaver dam area. You can see the water level has gone down quite a bit. It's still got a long ways to go still. It's really soupy in here. It is. I could get stuck in this no problem. I'm trying not to though. That's the plan. So what I'm doing, I got the tractor over here and I'm moving dirt. I'm trying to move as much dirt as I possibly can to build up that road bed. I figure the beavers keep flooding me out, I'll just keep building the road bed up. Oh, it's one solution I got. I'm just playing in the dirt. I'm just having fun. I don't even care if this works or not, but it's fun. So I'm taking dirt out of this hole. I'm moving it over there. So we'll see how this goes. This is a pretty good hole. This is probably down almost 4 feet now. So, yeah, we got snow on the ground. It's crazy. We'll see what happens. I think my cousin is out here hunting. I see his truck way over there. Anyway, let's move some dirt. Let's have some fun. So as you can see here, I am just having some fun moving dirt. That is the plan. This area that I'm standing in right here, where I've been driving, I'm going to take the topsoil off of this. I'm going to make a pile of it over here. I'll use that for something else, but I want to get underneath that topsoil so I can get that nice sand that we have. We have super nice sand here. It's like a sugar sand. It packs really well, but this stuff is almost too wet. It's kind of squishy, and I don't want to get in here too far because I really don't want to get stuck. But yeah, as you can see here, it's nice sandy stuff. It packs pretty good, but it's squishy. I can barely walk on it without sinking in. I cut this corner pretty hard. As I was telling you, I pushed some trees over there. So this is going to be my new road. I'm just going to kind of make this road just turn a little bit sharper and see what happens. The beaver damage has gone down a lot. I got the trap set again. Hopefully we catch a beaver tomorrow morning. We'll see what's in there. Fingers crossed on that. I'd like to get another one for sure. But yeah, we're just going to move some dirt, pile it up, and play with the tractor. It's having some tractor time. It's all fun. Well, my dirt pile's getting a little bigger. That's all black dirt over there, right? That I will use in the springtime to spread out over my mud hole of a road. It's going to be a sloppy mess. It's going to be absolutely terrible, and I don't need to go through it, all right? It's going to be a big construction project next spring. I carry my handle with me because it makes a good camera holder. I just, instead of a tripod, I just put it in the ground, and then I got a little clamp that's attached to this camera that I clamp right there. It works perfect. So instead of a tripod, get yourself a little short shovel. This is called a spade shovel, or a root shovel, or a transplant shovel. I don't know. A couple people left me different answers, and that's what they come up with. Anyway, I'm going to move a little bit more dirt. We're going to close this video out. Hey guys, give me a like, please. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. You don't want to miss out on all the fun or the craziness or just playing in the dirt. That's all I'm doing, really. All right, I think that's all I got to say. Yeah. As always, keep on tractoring, and God bless.